Cukurpa. Nga number 7 sistanya. Ngayulo pulka mukoringo. Finland orang kunji Japanya. Ngana na wana ni nyakunji jango mono. Nindin jigi jango.
Welcome. Come and see our work inside the gallery. That's my big Chukurpa, our family's country. And we looking after that place. And it's important place. Chukurpa dreaming of our land and country. This is our exhibition that we made, the grass from the desert that we sowed for 2 weeks in the bush.
7 sistanya panyanya. Cukurpa. Minma chulta. Minma 7. Wati kuju nyironya. Palo jana well pangka traveler ngengi. Ngana na chichi cuko ngono nindiring. Cukurpa nyangako.
The ladies started and they got this vision of showing this culture and trying to teach our culture to people who don't know our stories. They come together, they talked about it to agree on our Seven Sister story. And they pick one story of Seven Sister of Kungarangalva. There is a lot of stories. That's the one they picked. That's the one that travels through north, south, west.
Inma ku pakal pe monongana inma pakara kolel pe. Saban chijanchara. Mula nindiringengi.
Took my grandchildren to Korea so they can know when the past come for me, so they can continue. They can keep going with the Tukurba.
Our stories. Singing, talking in that gallery. Our stories coming out from heart.